How's it going, guys? So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be changing a camshaft sensor for my 350Z. I was going around a corner and I wasn't trying to drift, but like I was going fast around a corner, and I stepped on it like super quick or whatever, and basically I was going like 30, and then I don't know, like 40, 30, whatever, and then I just went down like 220. I was like, what the fuck, right? I thought my clutch blew for some reason. I was just thinking that in my head. So I was like, oh no, my clutch, I'm gonna be stuck here, whatever, right? So I actually turned the car off, put a neutral, turned my car off, and then I was like, okay, hopefully it's not the clutch, which I'm thankful that it's not, because that would have been a whole big ass deal. So it's not the clutch, it was actually the camshaft sensor. I figured out because I just looked up on Google, of course, first thing you would do. So I looked up on Google what it could be, and it was a camshaft sensor. So I went to O'Reilly's and I got like an OBD scanner because I wasn't home. So I got an OBD scanner, and yeah, I confirmed that was the camshaft sensor, right? So there's two different ones. So there's the camshaft sensor and the crankshafts, whatever you want to call it. So one is right here, right? One is like right here, and the other one, the one we're gonna be changing today, is actually, I'll show you guys exactly where it's at. It's that green one, if you guys see right there. So it's this green one right here. So it's pretty easy. You're gonna take pretty much that bolt right there. It is I think it's a 10 millimeter. So you're gonna use a 10 millimeter. It is a pain in the butt, okay? So I've changed these before on my girlfriend's G35. It's pretty much the same engine. So what I did is I think I took this thing off. Actually, no, I actually didn't take anything off. I just kind of tried to get this out, and it took me like an hour. It is gonna take a while. That's if you have big hands. If you have little hands, you're in and out real quick. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to take the disconnect the battery. That I will do that right now. But let's talk about really quick. I forgot where I left the sensor at. So it's right here. Okay. Sensor. So I went and got this one right here. It's import direct. It was $81, okay? So this thing right here was $81 at O'Reilly's. What I did is I just price matched it with one on Amazon that was like $30, and they gave it to me for 30 bucks. So that's a little hack for you guys. So if you guys want to get like parts for cheap, like O'Reilly's and AutoZone, I usually do O'Reilly's. The people at O'Reilly's are super nice. People at AutoZone are a little mean, but O'Reilly's people, good job. So I did get this for third driving, and the cars kind of like try to stop on me, which I think it might be just that because I checked the sensors and it might be that. But okay, I'm talking too much. So what we're gonna do now is disconnect the battery. I'm gonna put you guys on a tripod and I'll explain to you guys step by step. It's pretty easy, don't get confused. Little towel right here. That's all I do with it. Little towel right there. And take it off. I don't like putting everything back in place. I know I'm still gonna use it and stuff, but it just works so much for me. I don't like having like tools laying around and stuff, so that's what I do. 12 millimeter here. So I think it's already connected. Nope, it's at 10. So, well, actually, it might be a 10 now. It could be a 12. That's crazy. Okay. Basically, take that off. And here is the weird part, okay? Here's the weird part. Here's the part that's gonna be super nice. So I'm gonna take you guys have a tripod because it's just gonna be easier for me to show you guys. Okay, guys, so here's the part that is the worst part, and it's so annoying to get out. So here it is. So basically, I'm obviously gonna try both of them, but for now, what I'm gonna just try is the wrench right here, 10 millimeter, and then I'm gonna try this one. This one worked for me last time, but it took me forever, so I didn't try this one. So I'm gonna try this one. Oh, there you go. I'm gonna try this one since this is, he has a little bent and the thing is like kind of like inwards. It just looks like it's gonna work. So hopefully this one is way quicker. So once again, I'm gonna show you guys where it's at. So right here, what you're gonna want to do is take this thing out right here. So you see the little bolt right there? You guys see it right there. That bolt right there, you're just gonna unscrew it off. And then there is like a little plastic green cover on it, right? On that thing. So only thing you gotta do is obviously screw it, and then you take the little clip. It's like a little clip. Take a little clip, and then the camshaft sensor will just come right out. And it's really just a straight sensor, not bent. It's super easy, but the only part is it's a pain in the butt to get out because of how much little space you got. Look at this little space. It's like an inch, right? So
this is all you guys are gonna have to do. I'll get back to you guys after like I take the bolt out.
Okay, so here I'm gonna show you guys what I did to get this thing out quickly. So it's not out all the way. So what I did is with this one, I basically just broke it loose, and then I grabbed another one right here. You guys can see I put it down that tube, and then hooked it right there, and then I hooked this flashlight right here. Because I can't see with this big flashlight because it doesn't show down there. So that's what I'm doing, and then I'm slowly screwing it because it's barely. It's kind of funny, but so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, and I need to take the little clamp off, and I can't do it while holding the camera. So I'll catch you guys later once I get this thing out. But yeah, let's try to do it quickly. Literally got this thing figured out in like a minute, and last time I did it with my girl's G, it took me like at least an hour. So I'll get you guys after I put this thing out. Okay, so I actually got it. Here's what the old one looked like. If it shows right there. See, it's all like this is not OEM, I think. You guys are gonna want to check this thing out right here. So those are actually good. See how it has like chunks of stuff right here, like it's like broken parts. So I did hear like a little crack, but honestly, I don't know. So I will replace this because I just don't want to deal with, like, you could clean it and stuff, but I mean I already bought it, so I might as well just put it on. And this one does look a little bit beat, but the thing you have to check for, because what happens is that it might just get super dirty and stuff. I don't know how, but it just does. So right here, see those three? You have to make sure there's no dirt, no nothing in there, because that's what connects it to the plug. So what we're gonna want to do is we're actually gonna clean that green plug right here, which is the where we disconnected it from. It's literally just a clamp. So here's the old one. See how it's all like, I don't know, it looks like it's a little beat up and old, right? It looks like it has a lot of miles on it, because like right here, it doesn't really focus, but like there's like broken, it looks like it's kind of broken right here. Sorry, right here. You guys can't, it's not focusing really good, but right here, it looks like it's kind of broken parts right here. Fit on this thing right here. Right here, you're gonna clamp this inside part in there, and it would just go in that little hole, and you basically just put your bolt, and that's it. That's really all you do. You connect your battery and you start up your car, and if it runs good, then it runs good. If it doesn't, well, you gotta part out your car. I'm just kidding, but that's what you gotta do. So you just want to make sure that there's no damage on here, because this is more expensive and you have to do like more stuff to it, right? So just make sure this is not damaged, because if it is damaged, then it's not the camshaft, it's this, right? So, and a question that you got on my like want to ask is, if there's oil on the camshaft, that's perfectly normal. It's right there. It's on the engine. Don't worry about the oil. Instead, it's like it's dirty oil and it's dirty, all clogged up. Then worry about that. But if it's just oil, don't trip about it. Okay, so I got everything on there. It looks, everything's good. Everything's tying up. I had a little bit of trouble tightening that bolt right there, but I got it to work. Now the time is true, so I'm gonna leave everything as it is right now, because if it's not, I'm gonna have to try to fix it up. So what we're gonna do, obviously start the car up. So I am in the garage, so it might be a little bit louder. So it's like a small garage, but oh, there you go. Okay, so this works. The battery's connected. Okay, so let's roll the windows down so we can hear the car. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Everything looks good. The car is cold, but I mean everything's looking good, honestly. I mean, I don't want to rev it when it's cold, but we're just gonna give it a little rev. So that's good. Everything looks good. Obviously I'm not gonna put in gear, everything. So yeah, I think we'll actually fix the problem. I will go tomorrow and get go check for the OBD scanner again. If you guys like this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Look at my glove. That's funny. So if you guys want to see more videos about this, about the Z, and like I want to build this car. I'm not sure what we want to do to it. If we want to do a drift, or we want to do just like a show, right? I'm not 100% sure what I want to do, but I want to do is I need to fix some dents on the car and probably just do like a paint touch up. So that's the thing next on the list. So yeah, guys, if you guys want to keep following this series, please subscribe and comment down below what you think about this video and what you guys want to see next to the Z. See ya.